Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to learn about comments in Excel. So let's get started. So many times you want to review some of the data which is being presented across to you, and it is of utmost important that you look at it properly. And if you want to just send back across data along with your comments for each of the cells which you have cross-checked. So how that needs to be done is what we are going to look into this video. So if you want to add a comment to, let's say, this data over here 1736, so what you need to do is just select this data cell over here, then you need to move to this review tab over here, then click comment. If you click comment, you will get this name. So that is your name. You can always change this name, or you can just remove this comment, or you can just keep it so that the user will know who has kept this comment. Okay, you can just cross check and type why is the rent so high. Okay, so in a similar way, you can also now where does that comment run? So if you just go again back to that cell with your mouse on that cell, you can see that that comment is now visible. Now let's say you want to add comment over here. So again you can comment fab rent is too high. Okay. Now there are two comments over here, and if you want to see all the comments at once, just click on this button and you will be able to see all the comments at once. And if you want to move this comment up or down, you can always move for better visibility. Okay, so and if you want to delete, you can just delete the comments. Okay, so that was regarding the comments section, and if you want to just unhide all those comments, just click it over here. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.